What should have been a peaceful night ride for a group of bikers quickly turned into chaos when a drunk man pushed 3 riders off their motorcycles at a crosswalk, turning the evening into a complete disaster. This video may be over 5 years old, but it's still one of the most unforgettable clips you'll watch today. Aggression rarely solves anything. A calm conversation and a few respectful words can achieve far more than shouting ever will.
So you trying to kill him? No. Why are you trying to kill him? No. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why are you trying to kill him? Think you rule the road? You trying to kill him? So I up off a curry. Hey, you scared the shit out of me. Fuck you. Bro, what the f your problem, bro? What is your problem? What the f your f you? Why? You scared the shit out of me driving in between cars. Bro, I'm over here just. Hey. Bro, chill out. Chill out, bro. Chill out for real, bro. Chill out, bro. You're tripping. You're doing way too much. What the f your problem? What the f this guy's problem, bro? Hey, I got you all on me. Cool! I don't care! Get my license plate too! What's that guy thinking about, bro? I don't know what the f this guy's problem is. No, what the f? Okay, I don't give a f. Yeah, this guy's tripping. This guy's tripping. No, he's crazy. Yeah, I don't know, this shit crazy. Hey, get in front of me. Huh? Get in front of me, don't let me. I got you, I appreciate it, bro.
It's understandable to get frustrated when someone cuts in line, but getting angry over legal lane splitting is harder to justify. Letting a motorcycle pass in stopped traffic is often much safer than forcing the rider to overtake once traffic starts moving again. These bikers took a dead-end road with no homes beyond it, thinking nothing of it. After riding through just once, they were suddenly confronted and threatened by an angry man.
I don't want to prevent y'all from doing this. I'm trying to be a gentleman.
I'm not trying to be a and that's the whole thing about it. Probably try to stay way back there, but the bike's alive, so either way it's going to be heard. So I understand on your part, but I can't ever tell you a time.
Well, you don't have to listen. You guys got 2 hours. You do what I say, or you leave. I won't do it. I promise. But you're going to wish you did.
Why is that?
It's just the way the world works. So, your choice, guys. Like I said, I can give you my phone number.
Yeah, I'm going to dip out.
No, yeah.
Try not to be so stuck up about it.
Go.
You're
Stop!
stuck up.
No. Y'all need to wake the up right now. Go!
Another driver who couldn't stand being passed by bikers. Instead of letting them go, he made several reckless moves to block their path, putting not only the riders, but everyone else on the road at risk.
What the frick? Ow. Yeah.
A careless taxi passenger opened the door without looking, but thankfully the bike's frame sliders absorbed the impact and helped prevent more serious damage.
Ты проедешь. Иди сын.
Сейчас идут тебе.
Да мне еб.
After his clutch cable snapped at an intersection, this biker had to push his motorcycle across the crosswalk. Already frustrated, he then had to deal with a driver who made the situation even worse by shouting at him.
Что?
Тебе перебать, что ли, или что?
Ты чё, адекватней будь?
Я тебе сейчас разобью. За словами следите.
Да нормально?
Спокойнее. Я тебе сейчас разобью. Я просто водитель, тебя расстегну. Понял?
У меня камера снимает, если
Ты
что.
меня услышал? Ты меня услышал?
Давай иди
Ты
отсюда.
следи, выражение.
Ты не охуел? Я тебе еще раз говорю, ты меня въебал. У меня мотоцикл сломан, ты спокойно проехать можешь.
Едь, блядь, и все.
Я не могу отъехать, я застрял на перекрестке.
Вперед проедь. Здесь никого не
А зачем
было.
ты орал мне в окно?
Я
Ты сам начал орать.
Смотри, ты сейчас меня, блядь, доведешь, блядь, вот серьезно.
Я с этой камерой пойду потом знаешь куда.
Иди, иди, научись
Пойду.
ездить, первое.
Научиться
Второе,
ездить?
у тебя права есть на это?
Есть у меня права, представляешь?
Вот потом посмотрим, блядь.
Ну, у меня есть как раз права, посмотрим.
Я тебе еще раз говорю.
Еще раз подойдешь, и тебя стрельну эту хуйню в голову.
Слушай, блядь, мне похер, что ты стрельнешь, не стрельнешь.
That's twice!
Some drivers never learn until something goes seriously wrong. According to the biker, the same driver had nearly caused the exact same situation just 4 days earlier. At that point, it's no longer bad luck. It's a dangerous habit that could eventually cost someone their life.
Holy shit. I wouldn't mind, but she nearly took me out a few days ago. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm more worried about that. I have my camera running as well, so. Ready?
Your driving was atrocious. You were over the white line all the way. I followed you.
Yeah, it's alright.
You need your insurance details.
I got a registration number, that's all I want. You should have seen it the other day when she cut the corner, straight at me. So this is the second time you've nearly taken me out.
You can't be doing that, man. I'm on a bike, dog. I got kids at the home. I see.
And I ride too, bro. I get it.
You go, man.
Tell you what, my speed up when I'm trying to get around. Ah ouais, mais faut regarder, vous êtes en montagne.
C'est mon erreur, ok?
Sans déconner, quoi. Vous voulez tuer quelqu'un?
In most situations, a simple apology is enough to calm things down on the road. Many conflicts don't escalate if someone just admits their mistake early and moves on.
Come on. Come here. Come here. Say that again.
You want it. You want it. I'm quick to shoot you right the now.
Why?
You want to swing in front of law enforcement and be a
No,
No, you being reckless driving, stopping and swerving.
I was not, sir.
No.
Sir, I am recording. I'm
You
just
got your camera and
Sir.
you swerving and flip me off.
because so
Be a
I'm trying to talk to you like a man, as the one who's walking away.
swing. You ain't gonna swing.
I'm not. I want to talk to you like a man because that's what men do. But if you don't want to, that's fine. Have a great rest of your night. Please look out for us riders. That's all I ask. Have a good one, sir. Have a good one. And shoot me because you almost hit me. Makes sense, buddy. Makes great.
This biker admits that adrenaline and anger took over in the moment. He now advises that in situations like this, it's often safer to simply ride away instead of stopping. In most cases, roadside confrontations only make things worse.
Ticket from Springfield. Did you miss your court date or something on those? You got 2 warrants out of Springfield. So that's basically
What should have been a routine stop quickly escalated into an arrest after the officer ran the biker's name.
I had a headphone in. It's hard for me to hear you, but
yeah, you're good. I was just stopping. Let's wait for that train.
yeah, you're all right. You're all right.
You got a plate for your bike? That's the reason I'm stopping.
No, I have the bill of sale.
Yeah, that's fine.
I do have my license. I don't want to reach for it.
You're good, man.
It's in the outside pocket on the
I'm
bottom.
gonna take it off and reach.
But there's a gun in that bag
There
too.
it is. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to do anything you don't want me
You
to
just
do.
want to set it up there and grab your license, man.
Sure. I've got insurance too.
You
Still.
like your bike?
Huh?
I used to have a ZX10 back in the day.
Oh really?
Yeah, I loved it.
This thing's a monster,
Yeah, I
man.
bet.
Here you go.
Yeah. Okay, awesome.
That's gonna be the old policy still, because
Okay.
I'm in that weird transition period, right?
Oh, you're good. If you just have some sort of proof that you just bought the bike, I'm good with it.
Yeah. It's in here.
What kind of bike did you have before this?
Before this, I just had a Ninja 500 before
Oh, yeah,
this
so
one.
a pretty good step
So
up.
this is like a huge jump up, right? There it is.
Awesome. Let me go grab my phone. I'll snap a
Sure.
picture of your
I was gonna say, yeah, if you want to run the VIN, it's
Yeah,
not
okay.
stolen or
no,
anything.
You're good. I don't think it is, but it's something we have to verify.
Sure. Yeah. I understand. Okay. There you go.
So this is a 2000 or
Yeah, 2000.
2000. Okay.
Yeah, the first year they made it.
ZX12. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Be right back. I'm not giving you any tickets or anything. So. Just,
Okay, I appreciate it.
Do you care if I take that from you real quick?
Yeah.
All right. No, you're good. Is it strapped to your bike?
No.
Okay. I'm just sitting right here while we're talking. Okay. Oops.
Okay. Yeah. I don't want to make you nervous.
You. Okay. So here's the deal, basically. I'm just gonna grab your keys so you don't take off. You know, you're on a sport bike.
I'm not going nowhere.
You got a couple tickets from Springfield. Did you miss your court date or something on those? You got 2 warrants out of Springfield. So that's basically the situation. Which I'll be cool with you if you're cool with me. I'm not gonna try to. I'm not going to.
It's for registration of my Jeep.
Registration and insurance.
Yeah. Was a Wednesday.
Beginning of the month. Yeah. I don't know if you missed your court date or what happened with it, but
I had to have just missed my court date. It's got to just be a failure to appear.
not gonna do that.
The officer was initially willing to overlook the missing license plate, but once he ran the biker's information and discovered an active warrant, the situation changed immediately. It turned out the rider had missed a court date and failed to appear, which left the officer with no choice but to take action. What started as a minor issue quickly escalated into an arrest due to the outstanding legal matter.